Coach Kwesi a IMC member of Kumasi Asante Kotoko, you know, aware, so I recommend a couple of players to Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Now, information we are having is that the players have arrived at Ghana, as I say, Mino Kasi, and Renumre, and more touch it down at Ghana. They are expected to arrive in Kumasi on Wednesday evening. Now, Friday, Omone Kotoko, I say training, I say, basically, it's going to be watch and I say a trials, a recommended players. Now, according to information I'm in Sakano, players no, three players recommended by technical director of Kumasi Asante Kotoko, kum IMC member. Yes. Now, players no emu Sudan for emu mienu yenka ne yensi ni pese Sudan for ena baako ye Ethiopian national according to insider information or the barman omo base omo enye se omo ba be street normal working in the team, but they are coming to train with Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Coaches no convinced with omo level of competitiveness na omo hene be bo Kotoko. They are going to sign them. That is information yensa aka, and it must be stated on record saying omo ye players are coach Sudan head coach, which is Coach Kwesi and they recommend Omoma Kumasi Asante Kotoko. The understanding we are having is that by Friday the Kotoko started training ahead of ahead of 2024-2025 Ghana Premier League season, but basically train to face Accra House of Folk in the Democracy Cup so Friday week and as I game no so inti also Kotoko enya match fitness kakra into the game. Apparently Kotoko currently set up na akabe 11-12 players and na ewo yes so Kotoko free goalkeeper Fatau Seidu Baka that is what complement currently a friend Kasare nko anti Kotoko say yinchim ne mma unya bisa and only short force kakra until we are expecting say players no Friday madakwaja to win na ebekwa akohwe na yehunu omo level of competitiveness ne omo standard no say bebo Kotoko. Well, good to go. We understand say Kotoko be sign at least 4 players or 3 players from the foreign nationals. Yes.